The following segment is sponsored by Moda Health.
Thanks for watching AM Northwest this morning. You know, having the right health insurance is more important than ever. Here with some guidance for choosing a Medicare plan during open enrollment, we welcome back from Moda Health Claims and Customer Service Vice President Margaret Thornburg. Good morning, Margaret. First of all, let's talk about what are the changes there for Medicare in 2021?
Hi, thank you. Good morning. Well, for 2021, some good news. Many of the premiums and co-payments for seniors have stayed the same or have actually gone down.
Oh,
so
great.
that's a positive change for many that they'll find this year. In addition, in Oregon, there's some added coverage for Medicare Advantage, such as in Eastern Oregon, there's some new Medicare Advantage plans. Last year, I talked about a tool on Medicare.gov called the Medicare Plan Finder. And that tool is still available, and it is a very good way to compare the options. So, you know, that is highly recommended that people during this annual enrollment period go to Medicare.gov and use the Plan Finder to compare plans.
When is the enrollment period?
It's October 15th, so started yesterday, through December 7th.
Okay.
And things on the Medicare Plan Finder that is new this year that I think people will like is that it does have the ability this year to filter on the extra benefits. So we talked a little bit about the extra benefits last year, but these are things like dental coverage, vision coverage, and hearing coverage. And now on the Health Plan Finder in 2021, folks will be able to compare plans based on those extra benefits.
I think for a lot of people, it's overwhelming to think about, you know, enrolling and figuring out what they need to do, what they're going to need personally. Do you have people who can help?
There's definitely a lot of people that can help there, and we have some resources that I think we sent along that will be shared, I think, through your website and also through Moda's website, but definitely Medicare.gov. There's also a state agency, the Senior Health Insurance Benefit Association or Assistance, SHEBA, and so we've got some information on that as well. So those are two really good resources.
So we can call and talk to a person and have them walk us through it.
That's right.
Okay. Okay. And all right. And Medicare has a number as well, right?
That's right.
Okay. All right. So what are the top things that we should consider when we're getting ready to do open enrollment?
Yeah, it's such a great question. And I think that, you know, it seems really complicated, but it comes down to some very basic things. The first thing would be making sure that your provider, meaning your doctor, is part of the Medicare Advantage plan that you choose.
Right.
So many plans are PPO, preferred provider plans, or maybe the HMO type plans. So you need to make sure that your provider is in the network for the plan that you're choosing. That's the number one thing. Number two, it's really important if you're someone that does have prescriptions, you know, prescription medications, that the prescriptions that you take are on the plan's formulary. The formulary is simply a list of drugs that are covered under that plan. You want to know that the plan that you're selecting covers your medication and at what cost to you. So those are things that you can find out on that Plan Finder that I talked about.
Okay. All right.
Whether your prescriptions are covered or not. So those are the two big things.
Okay. All right. So we're going to tell folks if they'd like to find out more, contact Moda Health. We'll put all that information on our website. And you can also go to modahealthminute.com for more information as well. Margaret, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. We'll be right back with more AM Northwest. Don't go away.